Russia's newest Borei submarine Generalissimo Suvorov or General Suvorov has successfully launched the Bulava ballistic missile for the first time. The missile is said to have hit its target at the Kura training area on the Kamchatka Peninsula. The Ministry of Defense, as quoted by RIA Novosti on Saturday, November 5, 2022, informed that the launch on November 3, 2022 was carried out from a submerged position in the White Sea. This success means that the Russian Navy now has 6 ballistic missile boats capable of firing the Bulava. The Generalissimo Suvorov is the 3rd and 6th Borei submarines in the Borei class. Russia has 4 more Borei classes under construction at the Syeverodvinsk shipyard. And Russia plans to add 2 more orders. The first 3 Borei classes carry the same number of missiles, but have a slightly different design and a more analogous control system than the Borei. Designated as Project 935, the ship's construction began in 1996. But the first ship, Yuri Dolgoruki, suffered severe delays due to cost issues. The new ship was launched in 2007, or 10 years after construction started. This first ship was built at a total cost of $713 million. This includes research and development funds of $280 million. Yuri Dolgoruki began sea trials in 2009 and officially entered the Russian Navy in January 2013. The length of time it took for the development of the Bulava missile also suffered from setbacks. New ships were equipped with such missiles in 2013. But the Bulava continues to be plagued with many problems. During 2017, out of 27 test launches, 12 tests failed. Russia then proceeded with the 995A or Borei class project. This is a development of a previous ship. The first ship of the Borei is the Knyaz Vladimir, which began construction in July 2012 and entered service in June 2020, while the second ship is the Knyaz Oleg. Project 955A involves the construction of new submarines with various improvements and different hull shapes. If the Borei class is said to carry 16 Bulava Borei, it can. Each Bulava missile is armed with 6 to 10 nuclear warheads. The Borei and Borei class submarines have a displacement of 14,720 tons on the surface and 24,000 tons on the water. The maximum speed of the ship is 15 knots on the surface and 26 to 29 knots when submerged. The ship is 160 meters long and 13.5 meters wide.